good day working on the Badillac for good reasons. So we're going to a local burnout contest today, Bay City Car Meet. They're having their annual burnout contest. Actually won it with the previous vehicle that was on this frame and engine setup last year, so that was pretty cool. We're gonna go back there today, so we're just kind of doing a once over of the Badillac. It hasn't left the trailer since we came back from LS Fest, so we decided probably should give it a little once over. So we discovered a couple things. Somehow the serpentine belt, it got chewed up a little bit. That's not good. Glad we found that. Put a new one on it already. What else? We aired up the front tires a little bit. We've got to swap the rear tires. We got, check these things out. What are these brands? Oso PP6000s. Those are top performing brand of tires. Should make a little bit of smoke. Great tread on those units, so I'm excited to see how they do. Drain the catch can. Had a lot of stuff in there. That's no good. We're going to recycle that in a responsible manner. Pulled some fuses out of the fuse block because at one point there was some magic that was let out of the dash in the form of smoke. I don't really know what that was, but was a little alarmed, so we've removed some stuff that could cause that. And what else did we do on this thing?
We shifted the transfer case from 4 low to 2 high, so that should also make a little bit more smoke.
That was a big problem at LS Fest. Unfortunately, we were in low range, so it cut our wheel speed in half. Even so, we almost blew the tires there, so that was pretty cool. But with the PP6000s and high range, like, we should be making a ton of smoke. So excited to see that. It's just a good day, good fall day here in Michigan. I know it's not fall yet, but it's pretty much fall, so it is what it is. We're going to go there, hopefully win. Last year there were some big shooters there. We'll see what happens, though. I'm excited. Drive over there pretty soon. All right, we're just gonna step up here and make sure this thing still runs, make sure we don't have a dead battery. That'd be pretty unfortunate. Let's see how she does.
I think we're arriving right now. Great Lakes Motorsports.
Let's see where this guy's.
Yeah.
Dude, we pay here?
Yeah, turn.
Dude,
oh, you're supposed to. You're supposed to turn left there, dude.
Way.
Nice spot to turn left.
I don't know where we're going.
So it looks like it's a rectangular cement little pit there. Looking pretty good. One of the earlier people to get here. Got to come prepared. Get ready, get our tires swapped. Gonna be a good day.
Hey, well, we're here. Kyle showed up to watch too. What a nice guy. So we gotta get this thing off the trailer and put on the PP6000s. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like with those. Should look even more ridiculous if that was even a possible thing. I don't know.
Have that Carolina lead.
That's gonna be a lot of wheel speed. How are we supposed to compete with a Hellcat side by side?
I don't know, dude. You're looking at it.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
See, I was wondering how they register like rat rods. It's like very different.
Do the honors, young man. Let's see this thing.
Yeah, man. He squatted. Spectacle.
Like a low rider that's all the way
Oh,
extended.
you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. Looks good to me, man. This thing's ready to go. I think we're position 3. So I don't know how many people are going to be showing up here, but we're number 3. So we'll get to see how this thing does pretty early on, and see how everyone else does.
Pretty
I think
sweet.
we're good. I mean, we did. We gave it a solid 3-minute inspection. That's really all it needs. Worked great at LS Fest. Only thing different now: smaller diameter tires,
Real tiny. And it's
more wheel speed. That's
Should
what
be
you
right.
need.
Yep.
I guess we're gonna park this in the lineup. It looks like there's about 4 or 5 other cars that are in the burnout contest over there. So we're gonna line up and then wait for the drivers' meeting, which is in about an hour and 15 minutes. And they're just gonna run through them. See what happens. But you're not going to convince me that there's anything that's going to sound better than this. It's not going to happen. We got that going for us, even if we don't win.
Got the nitrous all heated up, and we should be ready to go. You ready, brother?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh my God, no!
Yeah, can we use it? Pop the hood, pop the hood.
Thank you.
Here we go, baby.
We good?
Well, you blew them up, brother.
Did I?
Yeah.
Couldn't tell, dude. For whatever reason, it wouldn't pull high gear. So I don't know if there was some creativity points for going in reverse. I don't know, but that's the best I could do.
Yeah, she's definitely hot, that's for sure. Way out of bounds.
In second place, we got Tom and the Duramax. First place, we got Rick Spencer and the Cadillac. Rick's taking home $742.
What can we say, boys? Badillac rules. It's a great machine. You guys helped build it. I greatly appreciate that.
Of course,
And
man.
we won, so
Dude,
good day.
what a great feeling, man.
You know, we wanted to do something a little bit better at LS Fest. We didn't do that. We made it there. We literally just didn't do anything to the car except what you guys saw on video, and it just came out here and it worked. So things that we do need now, turbo 400 transmission. This thing's done. We started without second gear. I've said that before, but you know, had to reverse a couple times. I had to make up for the lack of second gear. So it is what it is. But Badillac, dude, it's called Badillac for a reason.
Hell
It's a
yeah.
unit. We got some stuff we got to figure out. We got some other events that we want to participate in this year, and you know, it's just sweet to come out here 2 years in a row, relatively same setup, and win. So
Yeah. Good
glad to
work,
be a part
man.
of it, guys.
Very good work.
Appreciate
Good work, Scotty. You helped too, Jay. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, where's Kyle? There he is. Going home with the W. Yeah, and there were some heavy hitters out here today. Nice to take home the W. Unfortunately, I think this thing blew up. I'm sure they'll be back here next year. Better than ever.
What a great day, guys. What a great day. The Badillac, like I said, I mean, this is what we built this thing for. Victory. It's obviously still got a lot of work that it needs. We got to button a lot of stuff up. We got to figure out why the nitrous isn't working. We need to put a transmission in it. We need to do so much stuff to this thing. But for a car that was built in 4 days and was just at another burnout contest and never left the trailer, for it to come out here and win against some hard hitters, I mean, that's very respectful. And also very proud of this team. We might not win all the time, but we won't be outworked. I can guarantee you that. This team, no one works harder than this team. So that's a fact.
Yeah.
Can't argue with me about it. So very thankful for these guys and all the help that they give me to make this stuff happen. And yeah, on to the next one. So appreciate your guys' support in this matter. And let's rules, baby.